anti-ship weapon, or a land-based U.S. hypersonic missile which may be fielded by 2023, seen to have speeds of Mach 8 to 10. Russia is developing a new defense against hypersonic missiles, MiG fighters armed with long-range, multiple warhead missiles. But how feasible is the concept remains to be seen. The Ministry of Defense made a fundamental decision to develop for the MiG-31 fighter and the promising MiG-41 a multifunctional long-range interceptor missile system, MPKRDP, capable of hitting hypersonic munitions, according to state-owned Russian newspaper Izvestia last year. Theoretical studies have already been carried out on an ultra-long-range air-to-air missile with a multiple warhead. The MiG-31, NATO codename Foxhound, is an air defense interceptor descended from the Cold War MiG-25 Foxbat. The MiG-41 is reportedly a developmental project to develop a MiG-31 replacement. Using multiple warheads for missile defense is particularly interesting. Russia appears to be envisioning a single missile that will dispense several sub-missiles that will intercept hypersonic weapons which travel faster than Mach 5. Airborne heavy ammunition will deliver a warhead with several modern air-to-air missiles over a distance of several hundred kilometers, explained Izvestia. Then they will separate from the carrier and begin to search and attack targets on their own. An active homing head with its own radar will help them in this. All warheads will be displayed at a pre-calculated point on the trajectory of a flying munition and attack it in the nose. The use of ultra-long-range missiles will expand the area of destruction of the interceptor. The theory seems simple enough. Launch enough radar-guided warheads at a hypersonic target, and you're bound to hit something. An ordinary anti-aircraft missile has one warhead, Russian defense expert Dmitry Kornev told Izvestia. The probability of a miss on a hypersonic maneuvering target is very high. But if one ammunition carries several homing shells, then the chances of hitting a high-speed object increase significantly. The U.S. uses a similar approach for ballistic missile defense against ICBMs. Interceptor rockets will launch kill vehicles with multiple warheads, each equipped with sensors as well as thrusters for rapid maneuvering. Which raises the question. If many critics doubt that ballistic missile defense is even feasible like hitting a target with another bullet, the same goes for robot hypersonic missiles. Izvestia faces scenarios where the concept works smoother. Especially effective is the use of the system during aircraft operations as part of a single information space. Aerial targets, cruise or hypersonic missiles can be detected by ground-based radars, early warning radars, or an attack warning system. The fighter will only need to launch an ultra-long-range missile in the desired area. At the same time, the interceptor will not have to risk itself entering into an air battle. Yet U.S. ballistic missile tests have experienced numerous failures. President Ronald Reagan's grandiose vision of Star Wars total missile shield has gone through meaningless defense against the two North Korean ICBMs. Hitting Mach 20 with a warhead is no easy feat, especially when the warheads are accompanied by deep air and computer anti-missile defenses. Most likely, if Russia's Niju-based hypersonic defense works, it will work against tactical hypersonic missiles rather than ICBMs. While Russia claims its Avangard nuclear-armed glider has a reported speed of Mach 20+, tactical hypersonic missiles such as Russia's Zircon anti-ship weapon or a land-based U.S. hypersonic missile which may be fielded by 2023 seem to have speeds of Mach 8 to 10. That's slower than an ICBM warhead, but still quite fast. Unlike ballistic re-entry vehicles, hypersonic missiles can also maneuver within the atmosphere to avoid interception. An object streaking through the air at 10 times the speed of sound doesn't need much time to react to its detection. All of this means that merely firing a salvo of air-to-air homing missiles, hoping that one will hit the target, may be portal, Avia. Pro, the 6th-generation interceptor might take its first flight as early as 2025. The portal said the first prototype of the new fighter will be completed by 2023 and will be followed up by a series of ground tests. Once the process is completed smoothly, the fighter will take to the skies in the next 2 years. Only then, the Russian forces will be able to start accepting the PAKDPs into service, which could be around 2028. The report on MiG-41 has been confirmed by a Russian analyst, who said that the country was indeed working on a successor to the Foxhound. There are some discussions and initial research about the development of the MiG-31, but it is in the very early stages. The Russian defense Russia is focused on developing its 6th-generation stealth fighter jet, deployed from 57 to the T-50 air superiority fighters under the PAKDP fighter jet program. However, the new MiG-41 is definitely considered a step ahead of the Su-57 fighters, and will rather be more similar in concept to the United States Air Force's upcoming 6th-generation fighter jet, being developed under the next-generation air dominance, NGAD program. Russian media reports also suggest the MiG-41 fighter could be developed into an unmanned combat aircraft in the future. During a defense exhibition on 2017 3 years ago, there were claims that the MiG-41 would be a completely new aircraft, where completely new technologies for working in the Arctic space will be applied. The fighter will be equipped with newer stealth technology, and will have the ability to carry a large number of weapons. It will also boost the ability to operate at a very large intercept radius. According to Russian newspaper Izvestia, the new fighter would be able to intercept hypersonic missiles. It would carry a multifunctional long-range interceptor missile system, which will dispense a number of sub-missiles.